A blessed evening to each and everyone. Now we will try to speak in English. You can bash me, but some of my brethren ask me, they are always watching my video, but they don't understand Tagalog, and they ask me, can you speak English even sometimes? So now I will try my best. Maybe I'm trying hard, but I will do this for the request of our brethren from other country. Okay, tonight we are here in Lusail. I will show you. Okay, Lusail. This is Lusail Stadium in Lusail area, and this is, now I'm in the bridge of bicycle lane near in Lusail Metro and Lusail Metro Station, Lusail Bus Station. Okay, this is my bike, gravel bike, and my big bag. Okay, that's it for tonight. God bless everyone. Thank you. Okay, sorry for my English. Bye bye.